So here we are long on oil. Once again, 21 range. Second day in a row, only 21 range. Absolutely most favorite by far time frame on oil. Why? It's ain't slippery like 8 range. It's much smoother, and this is a reminder, know where Fibonacci based support and resistance levels are. This is a level we monitored this morning at the open. And that's exactly why I spelled out. Good to those of you guys who monitored oil prior to the market open. Before we opened up the room, oil was already 20 ticks in profit. Then I had another opportunity to enter after the retracement. And here we are at the second target. Pure and simple. All you need is pure price to know where to take profits off the table as I spelled out. Ultimate destination more than likely 105.23. Oil is taking major pause. I am trailing incredibly closely 104.91 as I expect oil will give me pullback all the way to 105. Formula remains the same. It doesn't matter if I trade 21 range, monthly, weekly, or 1 hour. Take a look what happened on 1 hour chart when oil visited danger zone levels on August 14th overnight. All the levels drawn on August 2nd. Reversals, 3-wave corrections, 3-wave correction. Tada, massive fake outs, very cumbersome. No, if you take in trend entry at the danger zone levels, prepare to get smashed. Clear? If you're a conservative trader, you never ever take in trend positions at this area. This is where you monitor for reversals. And me having a twisted long brain, absolutely thrilled to see that. Yay! Love what I'm seeing on ES. What are we witnessing on ES? Spelled out. ES setting up for possible reversal. Love what I see. To the tick, danger zone is respected. Let's hope I'm not missing any more trades on ES, as had been the case yesterday. Enjoy the ride. Trail 104.97, trail 105.02. Let's see what oil will do when it will reach danger zone levels. Anybody else wants to use indicators? The magic of pure price is never ever to be underestimated. Master pure price, exercise patience and discipline, and skies are the limit. I adore seeing price at danger zone levels. This is the most powerful trend reversal levels. But pay attention to what happens with my trade 21 range. Ooh, did we know that this will happen? Of course. Alphys know that if price reaches danger zone, this is my trade exhaustion levels. Expect quite a powerful push to the downside, and pay attention to what happens on danger zone levels. Price is finding resistance as expected because price is between the levels. No problem, but when it comes to the level, it's a problem. My trail too, 105.04, because when sellers will show up, it ain't gonna be pretty. Very critical and very important. Without knowing where these levels are, trading won't be fun, because by the time you take an entry short, you could be entering into ultimate brick wall, and vice versa. And that's the beauty of alpha wave trader method. You know exactly where trade exhaustion levels are. You know exactly where trend exhaustion levels are. Precisely and clearly. But only you know if you can play by the rules. So, oil is sitting very pretty. Guys, I'm gonna go and take me. Oil is sitting very, very pretty. There we go. Here's the pullback we expected. So we've been monitoring this incredibly powerful bullish formation taking this major pause because our trade had reached danger zone level. I don't want to trail too close because I know when pullback will happen it will be incredibly powerful because this is potentially my trend reversal trade that is setting up on my guiding light 1 hour chart. Trail 105.05. Reminder, the entry from 105.02, we are at 105.42. 40 ticks. Trailing even closer. So if somebody is not clear about importance of scaling out, please do ask. Here goes the showtime on oil. Cutie Fruity Oils, thank you for keeping us entertained because the S is still struggling. If you are trading oil, please keep your trigger happiness under control because the number of trades that's setting up on oil is 10 times as many than on ES. And that's the moment when you have to exercise extreme self-awareness that it's not about spectacular, magnificent times. It's about remember to prepare for challenging times in trading. The rally is still on, guys. Price is telling us that more than likely we'll have incredibly low supply of oil. Price reversed well before news. Love, love, love seeing that. And the fascinating cumbersome dance on ES continues. The correction is still on. Sellers are dominating the markets. Let's hope ES will finally make up its mind. I'd love to buyers to show up with vengeance and catch exactly the same ride as we're witnessing on oil. And it is highly possible. But I would feel so much better if I will see impressive buying power. But I really, really, really don't. I still see sellers dominating. Yes, I see absolutely nothing I'm witnessing on oil. But they are at the exactly same levels, danger zone 3. And that's what separates knowledgeable trader from trader who addicted to indicators. Not having a clue what is happening. It's very, very clear showing you. This is trend exhaustion levels. This is clearly showing you it's a bullish correction. And once three-wave bullish correction is over, sellers can pick up the steam. Because two things happens when price reaches danger zone. Corrections or reversals. Bullish correction is already completed. And here sellers picking up its steam on ES. Sorry to tell you that. Oil frozen at the danger zone, taking a bit of a pause. Could be quite a fun ride. But let's not forget the fact that we have news release in 30 minutes. That's the only excuse to be in a trade during news release. If you're in fantastic profit and if you're trailing very closely. Entering during news release is not prudent thing to do. What prudent is to never, ever, 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 ever entering the trade before the news release, close to the news release, or close after the news release. I expect a pullback, as I spelled out, quite a powerful one at any moment on oil. Trail 105.22. 50 tick in profit. So guys, my trail on oil 105.22. We are witnessing very, very clearly bearish correction. Yes, Mark, absolutely none. You're absolutely right. This is very, very clearly the power of what we constantly talk and discuss. So there we are. Decided to take also a short on 8 range. It's a bit of an aggressive trade because price is at the danger zone levels as highlighted by one of my students. Absolutely. We are out of the long on 21. Is this clear? How critical danger zone levels are. On 8 range, decision point 1 is respected. Here we entered from 105.02 and reached all the way to 105.54, 52 ticks. But each and every trader who knows alpha wave trader method scales out according to their lot size, according to their financial position. Each and every person has their own personal circumstance and their different account size. And it's absolutely essential and critical to recognize that and utilize proper money management when you trade. There are traders who trade 9 lots, there are traders who take 11 lots, and there are traders who trade only 1 lot. And therefore targets are drastically different. If you're trading only 1-2 lots, please do respect 1 first targets as spelled out. And if something not clear, please ask. Everything I do for demonstration purposes only. I expected selling pressure to pick up because oil breached my danger zone level to the upside. Remember, that's what happens when price dances at this level. You witnessed very, very clearly how price finished this spectacular rally to the upside at this level. And this ending up being bullish correction. If it's only decision point 1 that's reached, we are out. That's how critical decision point 1 is. It's the end of the correction. Danger zone is the end of major trade, major trend. Trend exhaustion, trade exhaustion. Pure and simple.